Good morning, students. How are you all? Okay, fine. Okay. After learning some part of a speech, you have to make sentences. For making sentences, you have to know the use of has and have. So, today's topic is use of has or have. We use have for I, we, you and they, and we also use have for plural nouns. We use has for he, she, it and also with a singular noun. So, children, now see the uses of has and have. Here, has. He, she, it. Here another singular noun. Okay. Repeat with me, children. He has, she has, it has, and here singular noun. We also use has with a singular noun. Okay. Now see here some examples. He dash a red car. He, see here, see children, he what is here? Yes, he, what we are using here? He has, we are using has for he. So, we have to use has. He has a red car. Repeat after me, he has a red car. Children, it is very important to repeat the sentence after fill in the blanks. Okay. Now say he. She dash a pretty face. See children, see what is here? Yes, we use has for she. So, you have fill in the blanks here, has. Read the sentence. She has a pretty face. It dash a long tail. It what is here? Yes, we are using has for it. So, fill in the blanks here. Has, it has a long tail. Repeat again. It has a long tail. He has a red car. She has a pretty face. It has a long tail. See here. Suman dash a Suman dash a blue ball. Suman, is there any word Suman here? No. But then what is Suman? Suman is a singular noun. Okay, Suman is the name of a boy. What is a noun, children? You know what is noun? Noun is a naming word. It can be a name of a person. It can be the name of a place. It can be the name of animal. The name of a person, the name of a place, animals, birds, etc. and things. A table dash 4 legs. A table, you see any word table here? No, table what is not here. Table is a thing. Okay. Table we are using for singular noun for the things. Singular nouns, we are using has for singular nouns. Table is a singular noun, it is a thing. It has 4 legs. Now let's children, let's learn the use of have. We have just learned about the use of has. These are the uses of has. Now see the use of have. Where we have to use have? We are using have with I. We are using have with we. We are using have with you and they. And here plural noun. We are using also have with plural noun. Now repeat after me children. I have, we have, you have and they have. Now let's some examples see here. Let's see. I dash a cute face. Where is I word? Here. What we are using here? Have. We are using have for I. So we have to fill in the blanks here. Have. I have a cute face. Repeat after children. Repeat after filling in the blanks. I have a cute face. You dash a red balloon. You what is here? Yes. What you are using for you? Have. Let's fill in the blanks here. Have. You have a red balloon. I have a cute face. You have a red balloon. We dash many flowers. Is there any word we here? Yes, here. What we are using? What we are using for we? We are using have for we. So, fill in the blanks here. Have. We have many flowers. Rima and Sima. Rima and Sima have two. Rima and Sima have 2 kittens. Rima and Sima dash 2 kittens. Is there any word? Is there any word Rima and Sima here? No children, there is no Rima and Sima. These are the plural nouns because one is Rima and one is Sima. This is more than one. This is plural noun. You see here children, with a plural noun we use have. So what we have to fill here? Have. Rima and Sima have 2 kittens. Now again repeat children. I have a cute face. You have a red balloon. We have many flowers. Rima and Sima have 2 kittens. Okay. Now it's clear children. We use has. We use have with he, she, it and with a singular noun. And we use have with I, we, you and with they and with plural nouns. Okay. Now I am writing the main points here. Note. You write down. You write down children. we use has with he, she, it, and with singular noun. We use have with I, we, you, they, and with plural nouns. Okay, it's clear, children? After learning this, the use of has and have, you become clear about this concept. Okay, children, after learning this, you will be clear about this concept, the use of has and have. So, thank you, children. Bye bye.